Hello. It's hard to look natural while carrying around a couple of seedlings and a pile of combs. We're just gonna put them in the sink there. All right. I'm gonna open up some packages so that you can get an idea of what your rewards will look like when you choose to pledge with Greenbeard Grooming. Moving on to the Tree-mendous folding comb. This is a sandalwood comb. Sandalwood comes in a variety of colors. I mean, bamboo has some variety to it as well, but sandalwood comes in some awesome colors. Not sure what we're going to get in here. We plant 2 trees for every one of the folding combs awarded through Kickstarter. All right, so got the packaging there. 1 comb equals 2 trees. Again, paper packaging is the way we went from an environmental perspective. That's cool. It's got a little bit greener look to it. Now, I should mention with the sandalwood, the inside here is untreated. And sometimes they have a little sawdust on them. I don't know if you can see that. Sandalwood oil has been valued for centuries. I mean, for 4,000 years, it's been used as an incense. And it's got a lot of nice healing properties to it. In addition to sandalwood just being a good dense wood that holds up really well to the test of time. Okay, so folding comb number 2. Now, when you see combs like this elsewhere online, they're going to be sold with maybe an additional case to them. And at Greenbeard Grooming, we really felt like that was a complete unnecessary waste of materials. And so you're not going to get a case to put your comb in that comes with a built-in case. Okay? Sandalwood has such a good smell to it. Like I said, it's been used for thousands of years and for aromatherapy purposes. And it holds that scent for decades, which is pretty cool. Okay, so a little bit lighter comb. The sandalwood comb has a little bit more of a precision tip to it than the bamboo combs. There we go. I don't know if you can see that, but the bamboo comb is just slightly more rounded at the tip than the sandalwood comb, and for that reason, if you wake up and you do a lot of precision work, like I do, not that I have to do a lot of precision work, but I wake up and I have to straighten this disaster out on a daily basis. So the sandalwood comb is much better with the part than the bamboo comb. Not that there's anything wrong with the bamboo comb either. Mess it up a little bit. Okay. And not a whole lot of difference there. But I can tell you the sandalwood comb does a better job on the part. Generally, it's a much denser comb, and it's got more precision to it. Okay, one more of the folding comb. Let's see if we get a different color here. A lot of them are darker than the 2 that I just opened, so yeah, this is going to be a bit darker. Oh, upside down. There we go. Cool. All right. Now this comb has some really cool color to the top of it. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's neat. All right. Okay, so here are the 3 Tree-mendous folding combs that I just unpackaged. There we go. As you can see, there's a bit of variety. I mean, this is a darker, more of an oak look to it, or yeah, like a walnut or something. And the middle one has a greener look to the wood, and then this is pretty light here on the far left. Now, sandalwood, the color of sandalwood actually changes with exposure to moisture and daylight and air. So your comb is going to shift over time a little bit, which is an awesome thing. Okay, so that's our unboxing. This is what you can expect when your combs show up in the mail, and we're excited to plant the trees that go along with these combs. Thank you for your pledges and support. We truly can't do this without you.